Mr. X has an opinion that market has recently shown weak for the market efficiency. In order to test the validity of the impression that collection of the following data relative to the movement of sensex for 20 days. Open, high, low, close, we have sensex. Okay. You are required to test the weak form of market efficiency using auto correlation test, taking time lag of 10 days. So 10 days we are taking. So up to 3.398. 3.3259. Correct. All the closing out. Change is what? From this, what is changes? From this, what is changes? 40, 12, 39, increase 4, and decrease 33, increase 42. Period 2 from 11 to same thing. Opening from 3 to 3, 1, 11 to next 10 days. 34, 43 minus 52 reduced, increase 14, increase 26, and increase 4, decrease 10, decrease 17, increase 17. X and Y they are taking. This is X and this is Y. So X square, Y square, the whole square we get it. So X into Y you get, and X into Y we take, and X and Y square. Mm. Next formula is sum of X, sum of Y, sum of X square, sum of X Y square, sum of XY. Mm. 1.66 into 9. So 194.96 divided by 9. So how we got from this to this is sum of X divided by number of unit, that is 9. So equal to 194.96 divided by 9. Here sum of Y divided by N, that is 68.08 divided by 9, we get 721. To get the formula what they say is this: sum of xy minus 9 into x and y divided by x square minus n into x square. The formula is very simple. The formula is very calmly true. What they are doing simply, first they want to do x and they want to do y. To get the x, what they are doing here, you can write the formula. It will say, to get b is equal to sum of xy minus n into sum of x into sum of y. No, or sum of x. X into y divided by sum of x square minus n into x the whole square. Same thing we are doing for a. 0.64 we got. For the a, what we get is y into bx is equal to b we got in. So a is equal to y minus b of y. So y is 0.76, b is 0.6, and x is 0.21. So we need to add back this, we get 0.7.54, 21.8. So what is the R square? What the formula is sum of A into sum of Y plus B into sum of XY plus N into Y square divided by Y square minus N minus Y square. Hmm. That is 21 into 68. 21 into 68, then 0.64 into 164 XY minus 9 into number of unit into 7.56 into 2 the whole square. It's whole square minus y square 746 y square minus 9 into 7 the whole square. Actually, get this r the whole root is zero point 0.4. The moderate degree between the return of two period. Hence, it is concluded that market does not show weak form of efficiency. So this is the way they found this market is weak or not. The modern degree of correlation between the return of two period here is concluded that market does not show any weak form of efficiency. Hmm. Okay.